Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Google Drive organized, starring folders is a great way to quickly access your most important files. But what if you want to remove a folder from your starred list? In this updated guide, I'll show you just how easy it is to unstar a folder in the Google Drive app. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, or simply tap the starred tab. This is where Google Drive keeps all the files and folders you've marked as favorites for easy access. Now, take a moment to scroll through your starred section and find the folder you want to remove. Sometimes, we star folders for quick access, but as priorities change, it's helpful to keep only what you really need in this section. Once you've found the folder, look to the right of its name for the 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open up a list of actions you can take with that folder. From the list, select Remove from Starred. As soon as you tap this, the folder will disappear from your starred section. But don't worry, it's not deleted from your drive. The folder is still safely stored in its original location, just no longer marked as a favorite. And that's it. You've successfully removed a folder from your starred list in Google Drive. This simple process helps you keep your workspace tidy and ensures your starred section only contains what's most important to you. If you ever want to star the folder again, just repeat the process and select Add to Starred. Keeping your Google Drive organized is all about making it work for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Have questions or need more help? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.